On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Fiero GT.
The following movie is rated I.
Wife lost her spot. She's not gonna like it. Take her for a trip to the diner. I've never driven a Fiero ever in my life. My best friend, Anthony, who's actually an actor, lives in Hollywood. He bought one brand new. Same year, same everything, except it was an automatic and it was maroon. Oh my god, it's got stuff in it. Of course, I ordered that cable and now it's working a lot better. Yeah, when it's cold, it's a little boggy on a low RPM. Of course, someone's gonna call me now. I have to call you back, Ed. You know, Fiero means something in Italian.
Fire?
No.
What does it mean?
I don't remember. Holy mackerel. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Good thing it didn't break the window.
I know. That would have sucked.
Got pretty good acceleration.
Yeah, I feel it.
That's only third? Huh. Fifth gear must be crazy. Fifth gear, that's like 1700 RPMs at almost 50.
Wow.
Nope. That's because that's sticky.
Yeah. Yeah, I do hear a noise.
Like what?
Oh.
The wipers?
Windshield wipers.
Intermittent wipers too. I did order a oil pressure gauge. Of course, now it's gonna work. It got fluky after it warmed up though. That was cheap. Double checking my brakes here. Got a lot of rust to get off.
They feel good.
Yeah, they do actually. Not bad.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Surprisingly, a decent amount of power for this because it's so light probably.
I heard the tires screech a little even.
Transmission feels good, synchros and everything.
Not bad for $500.
No, score for 500 bucks. So cheap for insurance, it's crazy. Oh, it's running better. Need to be driven. We can't lock it up. I'm gonna steal my shift knob.
Yeah.
You could smell the motor. Been a long time. Probably changed, like, looks like the bushings are worn on that. Dog bone there. Not bad, Fiero. You're gonna have to come up with a name. Now hope don't rain too hard.
Maybe they fix that key issue.
I gotta order the stuff. I just didn't find anything that had all three keyed alike.
Breakfast!
You gonna try to drive it?
No, I'll drive it in the driveway first.
You don't want everybody watching you? Better on low RPM again now, since it got a little warmed up and stuff going through it.
Yeah.
It works pretty good, huh?
Definitely.
pretty impressive. I think the air conditioner works, but there's stuff in there because it wasn't blowing out, so yeah, keep it on your side of the road there, buddy. It's so close, and having that a little tight, it's kind of hard to find it. A lot easier though. Move up here, and then if you want to switch, you can drive it to the house. That other car is going to be crazy with that 3.8 supercharged. Oh my god. I mean, it's not super fast. It's respectable.
Yeah, I still like the 4-cylinder, and this would be a dog.
I bet you it is okay. I mean, it's not going to be fast, but you're only talking what, 40 horse? 40 something? Is it
45.
50? Yeah.
On the corner?
Yeah, why not? Cobwebs. Gotta get John Luke over here to do some detailing.
I know.
You up enough?
Yeah, you're right.
A little
The
tight.
throttle is hard to push.
Whoops. You did damn good though. I mean, I know you know how to drive a standard, but it's been a long time. Well, what do you think?
Pretty easy to drive.
Right?
Yeah.
The handle's pretty good.
I like it.
Even without power steering, it's actually pretty good.
You're right, the throttle is a little heavy.
It's heavy going on.
But I mean, once you
once you're used to it, it's easy.
You get used to it quick. It's awesome find.
We didn't even put the steering wheel down. Oh, yeah, right, definitely.
Yeah, I did think when I started it, I was like, I kind of hate how up it is because I couldn't see the RPMs.
See if that works. I didn't even try it.
Yeah.
Where would you put it? Where it's straight out, probably, right?
Even that's better.
Yeah, it looks better. Yeah, crazy. I can't believe $500. I have not gotten a deal like this in many years, yeah.
I'll definitely be driving it a lot once we get the other one done. Then you and I can go to car shows.
Right.
Fiero family.
Yeah. We got to come up with a name. A lot of people were saying mini kit already. You know, like little kit car. But that was for the other one, too.
Mini rider.
Let's see what the viewers have to say.
We gotta look up what Fiero means. Oh, you're in mom's spot, too.
What does Fiero mean in Italian?
Fiero means proud in Italian.
Means proud in Italian. Looks good. I'm gonna patch up that hole over there. Then we can put the carpet back in.
Pontiac Fiero GT.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.